E-commerce has emerged as a key component of product sales in the current digital era. AI shooting is one way to differentiate your goods from the competition. You may use AI shooting to produce visually appealing videos that highlight the features, advantages, and functionality of your product. In this video, we'll talk about how to create AI shooting so you can sell your goods online and get consistent distribution. We'll go over the fundamentals of AI shooting and show you how to use Stable Diffusion to produce steady, excellent videos that will highlight your product. Additionally, we'll offer pointers and tricks for producing powerful product videos that will boost sales and help you expand your business. Whether you run a small business or are an experienced online seller, this video is for you. So, take a seat and relax as we learn together. Stay with us, now let's get into the business. Artificial intelligence is used in AI shooting, a technique that produces attractive and polished product videos. With the aid of this technology, companies may present their goods in an interesting and distinctive way, which can help build brand recognition and boost sales. AI shooting requires using computer software to command a camera to automatically record product videos. The software uses AI algorithms to evaluate the item and produce a film that emphasizes its special qualities and advantages. Automating the process of producing product videos can help save both time and money. Wait, what is Stable Diffusion in AI shooting? A technology known as Stable Diffusion enhances the effectiveness and stability of goods that use light diffusion. Stable Diffusion is essential for producing high-quality product videos when using AI for shooting. AI shooting is used to produce interesting and polished product videos. The output of Stable Diffusion is not limited to still images. You can easily create some extremely cool AI videos using some built-in tools and a unique template. How can we use AI shooting and Stable Diffusion to produce stable and high-quality product videos? First, you need to set up your shooting environment in order to create an AI shooting system with Stable Diffusion. Pick a spot that is well lit and has a background that is clear of clutter. Make sure the camera is secured securely and that your merchandise is placed correctly. To achieve a fluid and steady video, you might also wish to utilize a tripod or a stabilizer. Selecting your AI shooting tool is the next step. Online, you may find a variety of AI shooting tools that can assist you in producing professional product videos. Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro are a few of the more well-known AI shooting applications. Select the device that best suits your needs and your budget. Thirdly, you need to set up your shooting parameters after selecting your AI shooting tool. These include picking the size, frame rate, and other options that will impact the video stability and quality. A frame rate and resolution that are appropriate for your product and the platform you'll be sharing it on should be chosen. You might discover that your product video is wobbly or unstable after it has been shot. Use Stable Diffusion to steady your video to fix this. Stable Diffusion is a method that analyzes camera motion using mathematical formulas, then applies corrective movements to stabilize the footage. You can use the built-in Stable Diffusion features of several AI shooting systems to stabilize your video. Finally, after your video has stabilized, edit and improve it. Make your product video more interesting and educational by adding text overlays, music and other visual effects with your AI shooting tool. Include a call to action that entices viewers to buy your product while emphasizing the features and advantages of your products. After following the step-by-step instructions on creating AI shooting with Stable Diffusion, you can produce high-quality product videos that will promote your product and boost sales. Don't forget to try out various settings and methods to see what suits you and your goods the best. After discussing the development of AI shooting with Stable Diffusion, let's examine potential online sales channels for product videos. Online sales of AI shooting products can be a terrific way to promote your abilities and make money. You may successfully sell your AI shooting products online and reach a larger audience by using the following steps to stay ahead of the competition. Now, here are the steps. Step 1. Build a portfolio. Making a portfolio of your work is the first step in selling your AI shooting items online. You may demonstrate your abilities and give potential clients a taste of what you can achieve on a website, social media page, or YouTube channel. Provide thorough descriptions of the services you offer and examples of your product videos. Step 2. Take advantage of e-commerce platforms. Using e-commerce websites like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or even your own website is another method to sell your AI shooting products online. These platforms make it simple for you to create an online store and get your products up for sale right away. Make sure to optimize your product listings by including compelling descriptions, top-notch images, and reasonable prices. Although this is an excellent way to sell high-quality product videos, it is crucial to be aware of the platform's guidelines and limitations. Step 3. Utilize social media. A potent tool for marketing your AI shooting product is social media. Use social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share your product videos, promote your work, and interact with possible clients. To develop your brand and draw in additional customers, make sure to include pertinent hashtags and interact with your followers. Step 4. Work together with influencers. Promoting your AI shooting products through collaborations with influencers in your industry can be effective. Work together with influencers who are relevant to your target market to promote your product videos to their followers. This might expand your audience and help you gain the trust of potential clients. Step 5. Provide affordable prices and top-notch customer support. Price your products reasonably to attract customers. Find out what your competitors are charging by conducting market research. Then adjust your prices accordingly. Additionally, give your clients top-notch customer service. As a result, recurring business and positive reviews will increase and confidence will be strengthened. For organizations trying to market their items online, AI shooting with consistent diffusion can be a valuable tool. Businesses may make attractive video advertisements that promote their products in a visually appealing and consistent manner using artificial intelligence and stable diffusion technologies. You may successfully demonstrate your abilities and gain a larger audience by following these recommendations. To stay ahead of the competition, remember to always improve your skills and keep up with industry trends. Last but not least, AI is the most important tool innovation in the world to improve AI marketing, AI copy, AI business, AI software, AI art. AI Stable Diffusion is also a tutorial channel to help you in this new artificial way to work, to stay connected with your natural intelligence and use it to scale up yourself. The engineering that processes machine learning needs to start from natural learning data. For this reason, AI Stable Diffusion will radically change our approach to natural intelligence. This channel will teach you how to enhance your natural learning and put it at the service of automatic learning to gain an ethical and professional advantage. Welcome to AI Stable Diffusion. What do you think about AI shooting with Stable Diffusion? Please leave a comment. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of subsequent videos. Thank you for watching. Keep tuned for our next video.